All right, in this video, if you're hanging sheetrock, I'm gonna show you how to cut a hole for like an outlet or a light switch or whatever it might be. Um, I've got this sheetrock saw right here. You can use like a Dremel tool too, if you have one, and you just kind of want to put the sheetrock against the wall, make sure it's all nice and square, and kind of get a guesstimate as to where the hole may be. So I can kind of peek behind this piece of sheetrock. So what I'm gonna do is gonna take a look. Oh, it's like right up here. So I'm gonna put my finger on about where it is. And let me adjust the camera so you can see it a little bit better. I'm gonna tilt it up some. And I gotta double check. Yeah. And make sure you're all square on the walls. And if you miss it, it's sheetrock, so you can put a patch on it and fix it. But just kind of poke through like that, and you go up, and you kind of notch this out. This works the best with the Dremel tool. But like I said, I don't have one, so I'm gonna cut it out with this. And just make sure that, of course, the electricity's off when you're doing this. And then you'll feel the box wall in there. You'll come to a stop. So then you'll keep double checking, make sure you're flush. Make sure you're not cutting any wires. As I'm going, I'm being careful. Alright, now I've come to the bottom of the box, so I know it's at the bottom. I'm going to flip this around and go to the top. And I'm at the top right there. So now I'm going to go over this way, find the other edge of this box. And this is my light switch. So right there. You're going to take a little peek. Yep, you can see it right on target. And I'm going to go up this way. Again, making sure everything's flush. Okay, I've stopped right there. And you can use like a X-Acto knife too. And this will give it, to trim it out a little bit better. Once you find like your line, there we go. This will make a lot less of a mess. Dremel tool works best, but like I said, if you don't have one, like I don't have one, you can do it this way. Sheetrock cuts fairly easy. And just make sure you have a sharp blade. And I've got to find the bottom, so I'm going to grab this again. Now, as you start stripping away, you can kind of see where you're at. So it gets easier. Alright, now at the bottom of the box. This way like this. Watch your fingers. I know where the bottom is. I'm taking my X-Acto knife, my utility knife, kind of like that. Make sure your fingers aren't in the way. And there you are. So now I can put my my stuff in, my switches and everything else, so they'll fit right in there like so. And that's how you do it. That's how you can get a cut hole in sheetrock. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to our channel.